Welcome to 4070 North Saddletree Drive in Pine Ridge. This house is 2,311 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and a beautiful pool, not to mention an ensuite office. So I'm walking in the front door, and the first thing I see is the beautiful pool. Check this out. What a nice patio. Okay. There's a little outdoor kitchen for your coffee bar. As the spa spills into the pool, keep in mind that this is a heated pool with dual controls for the spa and the pool. Your property is completely fenced in with curtains for privacy and shade. Beautifully landscaped. There's your pool bath. So you sneak in there, no one has to track through your house. That door there leads to the pool from the master suite. Let's check that out while we're here. High, beautiful cathedral ceilings. You see the dining room, the kitchen area. So as you enter the master suite, to your left, you have an office area. Look at the size of this room. Beautiful view of your pool, and you can sneak in and out of that door. His and hers walk-in closets. The shower, unbelievable. Look at the size of that shower. Got your little linen closet there as well. His and her sinks. Now let's check out the rest of the house. Here's your pocket door, complete privacy. While you're in the kitchen, you can see what's going on outside, so you don't have to feel isolated from your guests. These windows are absolutely beautiful, seamless. I don't think they make those anymore. Big, beautiful kitchen. The door back there is to the garage. Walk-in pantry. Here's your big pool bath. Has a pocket door here as well, so your guests can have privacy. Bedroom number 2, they're using as a sitting area. I like this. Bedroom number 3, both of which have ample closet space. Now, let's check out this giant garage. Laundry room right off the kitchen. Look at the size of this garage. Not to mention, it's absolutely spotless as far as garages go. 3-car garage with exterior access. I think this house might have everything that you're looking for. Bring your horses. Did I mention that? It's horse property.